Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My dear subscribers, I hope that you are all doing well and great in your lives. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn Biology with Naz. In today's topic, we are going to discuss the peripheral nervous system's structure and functions in detail. Peripheral nervous system or PNS. The term peripheral means spreading. So, the peripheral nervous system refers to the parts of nervous system that is outside the brain and spinal cord. If we talk about the composition of peripheral nervous system, so it is composed of nerves that are the union of several axons and ganglia that are the clusters of neuron cells outside the CNS. The nerves and ganglia form the communication network between the central nervous system and all the other body parts. The nerves that arise or lead to the brain are called cranial nerves, and the nerves of peripheral nervous system that arise or lead to the spinal cord are called spinal nerves. Humans have 24 cranial nerves and 62 spinal nerves. Cranial nerves may be sensory, motor, or mixed, while spinal nerves are mixed nerves only. Pathways of cranial and spinal nerve. Cranial and spinal nerves make two pathways. Sensory pathway that conduct impulses from receptor to CNS. Now, what is impulse or nerve impulse? It is the wave of electrochemical changes that travel along the length of neuron. What are receptors? Receptors are the specialized organ, tissue, or cell that detect the particular type of stimuli. For example, the receptor for sound wave is ear and the receptor for light is eye. Motor pathway. It conducts impulses from central nervous system to effectors. Effectors are the part of body which receive message from coordinator and produce particular response. Motor pathway makes two systems: somatic nervous system and autonomic nervous system. Somatic nervous system. It is composed of motor neurons that conduct impulses from central nervous system to skeletal muscle. Functions of somatic nervous system. It is the responsible for the conscious and voluntary actions. What are voluntary actions? When an action is produced with the involvement or thoughts of a person, so they are called voluntary actions. For example, walking, eating, jumping, and running. Autonomic nervous system. It consists of motor neurons that send impulses to cardiac muscles, that is heart muscle, smooth muscles, and glands. What are the functions of autonomic nervous system? It controls involuntary movement, the movement which are not under a person's control. It is comprises of two systems: sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system. Sympathetic nervous system, also called the system of fight or flight. It prepares body to deal with the emergency situation. During emergency situation, this system takes necessary actions. For example, it dilates pupils, accelerates heartbeat, increases breathing rate, and stops digestion. Parasympathetic nervous system. When the emergency situation has ended, parasympathetic nervous system takes action and normalizes all the functions. It causes people to contract, promotes digestion, slow the rate of breathing and heartbeat. In the next video, we will discuss our next topic, that is the reflex action in detail. Till then, take care of yourself and your beloved ones. Allah Hafiz.